Assalamu alaikum, my dear brothers and sisters. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel Let's Join Pharmacy. Today I am here in front of you to discuss about one more very important question which was asked in 5 marks pharmaceutical organic chemistry, that is a chemical reaction of aliphatic amines. Okay, basically you have to define first what is aliphatic amines, then you have to write some of the types of these amines, and also then you have to explain chemical reactions of aliphatic amines. Let's discuss first what is this amines. See here, as we know that amines, these are the derivatives of ammonia in which one or more hydrogen atoms have been replaced by alkyl or aryl group is called amines. Means it is the derivative of NH3 group, means ammonia. Here what happens, one or more hydrogen, that is H, can be replaced by the alkyl R group or aryl group. That's nothing but amines. These amines are classified as a primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amines. In primary amines what happens, only one H group is replaced by the aryl or alkyl group. See here, it is a primary amine. Here NH3, it is a derivative of ammonia in which one H is replaced by this alkyl group. Example, methylamine, ethylamine. Got it? Now secondary amine means two hydrogens are replaced by means of the alkyl group R dash R dash. Dimethylamine, diethylamine. Got it? Two alkyl groups. One alkyl group, if it replaced means it is known as primary, double means secondary. Now tertiary, here three alkyl groups are replaced by the hydrogen, that is CH3 tries N. Okay, CH3 tries N or C2H5 tries N. Trimethylamine and triethylamine. Okay, basically in the chemical reactions of the aliphatic amines you have to write these. What is amines? Classification. Got it? Then move towards the main question which was asked, that is chemical reactions of aliphatic amines. My dear brothers and sisters, please subscribe the channel if you are new to this channel. Okay, don't go without subscribing and comment in the comment section if you like this video or not, how it is. Okay, I want to improve some things. You will tell in the comment, means I know that I can know, but you neglect means how can I? So please comment in the comment section. If there are any doubt or any corrections in my videos, then you can directly write in the comment section. Inshallah, I will come through that. Chemical reaction. First is action with nitrous acid. See here, nitrous acid means it is the acid, nitrogen derivative acid, that is HONO or H2NO2. HNO2. It is a nitrous acid. Now first what happens, this is the primary amine. When primary amine made to react with HONO, then there will be formation of alcohol, nitrogen liberation and water. Clear? When primary amine treated with the nitrous acid, then alcohol is formed, nitrogen gas is liberated with the formation of water molecule. Yes, this is the primary amine treated with the nitrous acid. Here I have taken one example, that is primary amine, that is ethylamine treated with nitrous acid HONO. There will be formation of ethyl alcohol, nitrogen and water. Got it? Now let's move towards the next one, that is action of nitrous acid on secondary amine. Okay, how the secondary amine will act to this nitrous acid. See here, as you are looking R2NH, this is the secondary amine. What is this? Secondary amine. When secondary amine react with the nitrous acid, there will be formation of N nitrosome amine. It is yellow product. Got it? With the liberation of water. You have to practice this reaction. It is very important, 5 marks a fixed question. Yes, and then secondary amine. See, CH3 twice NH, HONO, then N nitrosome, N methyl, methane amine. This is only yellow product. When secondary amine means what is this? Dimethylamine. Treated with nitrous acid, there will be formation of N nitroso, N methyl, methane amine. Got it? This is the derivative. When methylamine, this one is treated with a nitrous acid, then yellow color product, that is the N nitroso, N methyl, methanamine product is formed. This is the action of nitrous acid where on the secondary amine. Okay, जो नाइट्रोजन को दो अल्काइल ग्रुप या अराइल ग्रुप मिला रहता है ना, उसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं, सेकेंडरी अमाइन बोलते हैं। सिंपल है, ज़्यादा क्या अभी इसके अंदर टेंशन लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। यस, चलिए नाउ नेक्स्ट इज लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट द थर्ड वन, दैट इज टर्शियरी। See, basically action of nitrous acid on tertiary amine, basically when we discuss mean there will be no action of this nitrous acid on tertiary amine, but for our convenient we are writing this. When what is this, it is the tertiary amine. When react with nitrous acid HNO2, there will be formation of a salt or nitrite sorry, that is R3NHNO2. When trimethylamine made to react with trimethylamine, means tertiary amine, made to react with HNO2 nitrous acid, there will be formation of a salt. That salt name is a nitrite. Okay, nitrite, trimethylamine nitrite, that is nitrite salt is formed. You understand that topic? Now see, these are the some of the very important chemical reactions where that is in the aliphatic amines. Okay, this is the doubt from my subscriber. Thank you. Now see, this is your answer for the question. You have to write all these. First you have to write what? First they ask or not, don't worry, you have to write that compulsory. Okay, if they ask at the chemical reaction of aliphatic amines, means you have to write the chemical reactions. First you have to write what are these amines, then you have to write classification. Got it? Yes, this is the answer for that question. Now a small topic I have added here, that is there we studied aliphatic amines, means without benzene ring. Here aromatic amines, very simple. See, what is this? It is the primary amine, aniline primary amine, means CH1 hydrogen is replaced by alkyl group, that is CH3 Cl. When this aniline or primary aromatic amine made to react with a sodium nitrite in the presence of HCl, there will be formation of benzene diazonium chloride. This is the one reaction where on the basis of the primary amine treated with sodium nitrate. Now the secondary amine, it is the secondary amine, that is the N-methyl aniline. When treated with the sodium nitrate in the presence of HCl, then there will be formation of N-nitroso N-methyl aniline. Got it? This is where this is on the secondary amine. Okay, these are the simple two reactions of aromatic amine. You don't write only these structures. I have told you, you have to explain the description. Description is very simple. When aniline, that is a primary aromatic amine, made to react with the sodium nitrite in the presence of HCl, there will be formation of the product known as benzene diazonium chloride. Okay, these diazonium were used in many medicinal products or many pharmaceutical drugs. We are using this benzene diazonium. Okay, mainly this diazo means dinitro compounds are using mainly to treat the CNS, control nervous systems. Okay, we are using the many diazo drugs. Okay, just for knowledge purpose I have given. Yes, my dear brothers and sisters, yes, this is the some very simple reactions of aromatic amines. Yes, my dear brothers and sisters, once again I am requesting you, if you are new to the channel, subscribe my channel, Let's Join Pharmacy, hit the bell icon to get the further notifications, and if you are having any doubt, comment in the comment section. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.